good morning. I hope it sticks with you. And first of all, let me ask you a question. Who from the audience knows the Tesa brand or our logo? So, quite a few. And how many successfully used one of our tapes? Okay, wow, I'm impressed. Perfect. So today I would like to give you a short introduction about the sticky world, so about the wonderful company I'm working for, and also why debonding is for us the next big topic and why this plays a role in automotive displays. So this is the part that you know, but actually what most people don't know is that this is only roughly 22% of our revenue that we generate. So the consumer business is very small compared to the B2B business. Just to give you some numbers, if you take a look on the right side, so we deliver B2B bespoke solutions, which are sealing, bonding, single double-sided tapes, electrically conductive tapes in a variety of industries. So, but of the roughly 5,200 employees we have today globally, you see we have a strong footprint in history in Europe. So this is where we come from. But what is kind of unique is that a European coating company managed to build up such a big business in Asia-Pacific region. So here are some examples of the major industrial markets we serve. And for automotive and electronics, the two business units are the biggest one for us. So in your smartphone, you will find up to 70 applications from Tesa. If they work, you don't see them. So that's the good thing. So what else is there to say about Tesa? So I'm not a chemist, but we do have a lot of engineers and roughly 600 R&D guys based in 3 different labs around the globe. The biggest one is not so far away from me in Hamburg. So if you ever stop by, please let us know. So we are investing quite an amount to deliver roughly 100 new products every year. Talking about records, you've seen some very small particles in the prior presentation. So we are one of the few companies in the world who are able to produce a 5-micron double-sided tape. So we've developed this actually for a phone application, for thermal management. What else is there to say? So we can do very thin tapes, but also very thick. And I will go into the technology a bit later, how we are going to do this, and why this plays also a role in automotive. And big topic for us is EV, so flame retardancy. You see also we are using polymeric-based structures, but they can be also pretty flame retardant. So you see many, many dots on this landscape, many dots in Europe, but also in Asia Pacific and in North and South America. So we have more than 7,000 standard products. So we are a coating company, and which is quite complex if you are a product manager. But where do we manufacture them? So we have 6 global manufacturing hubs. The biggest one is in Offenburg. Also, if you know the famous Tesa film, this is actually being produced there. The newest addition to our family is in Vietnam, in Haiphong, close to Hanoi. And just to give you an idea, we have 2 new coating lines, and this adds roughly 40 million square meters of material output of this facility alone. Yeah, coming to electronics, and so we have a history in electronics. We are very electronics driven. And this is also the reason why Tesa is, and we are exhibiting here at the Printed Electronics and the TechBig event. So many of the tapes you will find in a phone is actually also